Welcome to IMTEX 2025, and I am at the stall of Ionbond. And with me is Dr. Atul Kulkarni, who is the Executive Director of this company. It's a known fact that there are no machine tools without cutting tools. That shows the importance of cutting tools. And to keep the cutting edge of cutting tools, you need coatings. Ionbond is the business of giving surface coating to cutting tools and elongating the life of cutting tools. So, Dr. Atul, I would like to know from you as to what are the emerging trends in surface coating and what are the cutting edge solutions you offer to the industry.
Okay. Basically, nowadays, as precision component engineering is developing very fast, and it requires the different kind of the coatings to improve the performance of the cutting tools. As well as nowadays with the EV segment, a lot of non-ferrous applications are also coming up. So it requires also the very special coating so that the benefits can be offered to the down the level in the industry. So in that connection, we are having the various new coatings like say DLC coating or Aurora X plus coating or hard cut plus coating. So many different coatings are developed, and now those are in the market, which are giving the excellent performance and the response from the cutting tools or the dies and molds or the automotive components.
Okay.
Segment.
So, what are the cutting edge products you are displaying here at IMTEX?
Currently, we are displaying the new coatings like Aurora X plus, then hard cut plus, then concept coating. That is our special coating. This concept coating particularly is a very good coating for the forming molding application, and this is having the very high hardness of 3800 HP with a low coefficient of friction 0.18. So this is with a peculiar properties. It gives a better performance. So right from say, cutting tools to forming molding to auto component, industrial components, for all the segments we display the different coatings.
I see. Enhancing the life of cutting tools brings enormous savings to the end user. So, what are your R&D initiatives in this direction, and with what results?
Basically, with respect to the R&D, we are having the our competency centers in various countries like say France or Netherlands or US, maybe Detroit and all those things. So with those R&D our centers, we develop the different coating and then pass on to the Indian as well as the global market.
And surface coating does bring environmental issues. So, how do you address sustainability?
Okay. Basically, all these PVD coatings or the PSCVD coatings are the pollution-free processes. So, environmental point of view, there are the zero pollution. That is the biggest advantage of these PVD coatings vis-a-vis plating. So, I can say that without pollution, these coatings can be applied right from say mechanical industry to the medical industry to the decorative application. So, everywhere very easily can be used.
How do you educate the end user on the right selection of coatings for enhancing the life of the cutting tool?
Yeah, right. This is a good question. Basically, as you know that to have the right coating, we need to go into the engineering of that one. What is the failure mode and all those things we need to discuss, we need to understand, and after that we can able to give the appropriate solution. That's why Ionbond, we are not just providing the different coatings, but our speciality is that we are the surface engineers. So, with the surface engineers, we are understanding what are the problems behind that application, and appropriately solution we are giving it to the customer. So, there is a very good bond between the customer and the Ionbond, and which develops the new coating which is tuned to that particular requirement.
What are the expansion plans which you have to meet the demand, of the industry.
Yeah, nowadays a lot of requirements are increasing, and this enhancement of the requirement across the India. That is a good part. So, what I feel ki, for the next 10 years, definitely that will be the golden period for the India. And to cope up with that requirement, we are trying to enhance our existing capacities in Pune as well as Chennai. At the same time, we are coming up with the new locations like say Bangalore or the north in the Delhi and those one. So we have a good expansion plans, and very soon, within say next 2 to 3 years, we'll be in the market with the different centers.
Fantastic. So all the very best for your expansion and taking the company forward.
Okay, thank you.